Hey everybody, how's it going? It's CJ9899 here. And in this video, I'm going to review every single tab pull station that I own in my collection. Okay, so first off, I am actually joined off camera. I am joined with
Black Lightning 4547. Larry from El Hall Electrician. Tyler Meeks 24.
And so yeah, okay, so for this video, it's gonna be like a review of all the pull stations that I own that have the whole front kind of pulls down and flaps open, and it is held closed by a metal tab, and you need a screwdriver to reset. So first of all, these pull stations are more commonly seen in Canada, but odd time you'll see them in the U.S. So first we're gonna start off with Mircom. So let's start off with this. This is a Mircom MS408. This pull station is rather new. It was made in 2017. And, yep, MS408, there are different models. There's the MS401, 402, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm not going to go through what each one is, but this is an MS408, which means that it is two-stage because it has a two-stage switch right there. And all these pull stations that I review, they all pull like that because they have the tab and they kind of have a flappy thing. So you can see it says MS408, and it's got the button in there, which this keeps closed when it's open. And they all have a little hole here, which you put a screwdriver in, and then it kind of rests over the tab, and then you kind of pull over, and then it puts it back. It holds it back in place. So yes, this is the newer style one. But now we are going to take a look at a little bit of an older style version, which is right here. Now, this version here is obviously, it looks very similar, except it does have a bit of an older logo on it. This one is probably from, I think, before 2010, if I had to guess, or something like that. So you can see the back, I actually put a replacement button in it because the original one kind of broke, and the terminals are gone. But this is an MS401. So this is your regular conventional one with no extra features. ULC listed, all of them say ULC because mostly this is in Canada. United Listings Canada, or United Laboratories, whatever. It's either one of those. And once again, it resets. So now we are going to move on to the notifier ones that I have. So let's start with an unusual looking one, and this is this. This is a notifier NFM 950B pull station, and what this is basically, it's sort of like the designs that you saw before, except it's actually a little bit taller, and but it's a little hard. This one's hard to pull. It still pulls the same way, but this one it's a little older. This one's from 2000.
This is weird board.
This one is from 33rd week of 2000, as you can see right there. And made in Canada. These are Canada exclusive. You got your button, your two terminals, and yeah. And on the inside you got the ULC sticker. And once again, except weirdly the hole is actually a bit bigger on this one, but it's still, all of them reset like that. Next, we have an older version. This is an even older version of the same pull station. As you can tell, it actually has a bit of a different font if we pull back the other one. This one, the font is a little bit skinnier and a little bit bigger. And obviously, as you can tell, this one is a little bit dirty and damaged. All the paint scratched off there, and it's got a label. But this one on the back, it's all silver. NFM 950B, just an older style. Still pulls the same way. On the inside it says FM 950, and I'll explain why, but it's still got the same ULC sticker. So next, we have a regular notifier. No, MPS 950B, my mistake. This is basically this is a Mircom, same shape as the Mircom ones, except it obviously says notifier and the label is gray. This is a newer version from 2017. I do have older ones, but it still pulls the same. MPS 950B, instructions on how to reset. 35th week of 2017, ULC sticker. This is the regular conventional one. So that's the newer version.
That's probably only my favorite ones right there.
Yeah. Alright, so now we have an older version. So now the only difference between that and the older version is the label is a little bit of a lighter gray, and the font is a tiny bit different, but other than that, it's basically the same thing. See Notifier MPS 950B, made in, I'm pretty sure that is either March of 2001 or the third week of 2001. Probably the third week, but who knows. Still pulls the same way. Believe it or not, actually, it's weird. It has the Mircom model numbers on the inside, but you see it goes all the way up to 4000 or MS408. Should I say reset it? Older ULC sticker. Okay, so next we have a different brand version, and that is this. This is a Pyrene labeled version of the Pulse Station. It is basically the same thing. It just has an interesting company logo. I'll show it to the Skype people there quickly.
Pyrene, I've never even heard of that before.
Yeah, but yeah, it pulls the exact same way. March of 1998 is when this one was made. It is a Pyrene 950-1050 Pulse Station, but it still has the same ULC sticker. Alright. Next, we have the last two are very interesting ones. We have this. This is a Firelight version of the Notifier NFM 950. This one is just called a Notifier Firelight FM 950B. 30. There's no date code on it, but that's why the other one, the Notifier version, still has the FM 950 logo, probably because they just slapped a different label on here. But it's got the ULC sticker here on the handle instead. But yeah. And now, for the last one, we have this. This is not a fire alarm version. This is in fact a blue emergency version. So this would be used for things like for basically anything other than fire alarms. So like emergency shutdowns. Like some people sometimes use these for like emergency, like releasing magnetic locks on doors.
Hospitals.
Yeah. Some. This one was made on the 25th week of 2009. As you can see, the paint is chipping a little bit. But I have two of these. This is an SM950B-20C. This is a Canadian exclusive Pulse Station, and you have a normally open button and you have a normally closed button. And so yeah, that is all of the Pulse Stations with that kind of tab design. So here's kind of a final glimpse of it. So, yeah, this is CJ9899 signing off, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.